Chapter 2 of the Makeup Story Foundation. If you didn't see my color correcting clip, check it out. But now I go into my contour, which is hazel. My bad, it's not hazel, it's cedar. And I put it right up under my cheeks, next to my hairline at my ears, and then on my forehead at the hairline. And I'm just pouncing it a little bit in the palette and on my face. Then under the jawline, the chin, and the jowls, if you have those, just go right on top of them. And you can go all the way back to your ear, underneath your chin, if you want to make some definition there that may or may not be there already. Then I'm going to go into my main highlight, which is hazel. And I'm going to go across the places where I would need foundation and not contour or highlight. So this is my main highlight, my main foundation. I kind of think of like the bearded area, although I like to put a little bit up on my cheekbones as well, I have discovered. And in the crease of my nose, nostrils, and then I'm going to my lightest highlight, which is June for now. And I also have Sandy that I'll be sometimes combining during the summer, but definitely during the winter we'll be picking more of that up as my pigmentation changes from season to season. And I'm just analyzing and trying to decide where I need, and I decide, yeah, I'm going to go into the sandy and the hazel combo there along my neck where I have some discoloration from radiation treatments and just regular sun exposure and aging. And then I want to blend, and I decided, nope, I got one more thing to do. So I forgot to do the contour on my nose. So I'll go back into the cedar, just use my fingertip, and do the sides of my nose there and across the bridge a little bit. Full transparency, contouring my nose is something I'm still working on, with like a little feedback on of suggestions from true makeup artists. I need to contact mine, I guess. And then I've watched some makeup artists for Seint put a little highlight above the brow and just right below the brow. So I was trying that out today. And then I start to blend. I try to start usually with the lighter colors. And I'm just not brushing it completely away, but lightly buffing it so that I don't have any lines or edges. Everything just kind of blends nicely together. All right, and then I start getting into the main secondary highlight and the main highlight together, and then up into the contour last. And I try not to wipe all the contour off, but I'm wiping it into the hairline. Then I go down the neck and bring it down along the neck to have a smooth overall finish. And I'm going to make my way to my nose, contouring, and just pouncing and getting that blended really well, and go up to my hairline on my forehead with that cedar contour. Just a light circular motion to blend it all in. Such an easy, creamy filling foundation that is so fabulous for my mature, dry skin. It's made such a difference, and it lasts all day. That's it.